Hello and welcome back to Pinnavex. In today's tutorial, we're going to create an SMS QR code. This type of QR code makes it easy for your customers to send you a message with just a scan. Let's get started. First, head over to pinnavex.com. On the home page, click on Create QR Code, and you'll be directed to our QR code section. From here, choose the SMS QR code option. Step 2. Enter a phone number and pre-filled message. Step 3. Customize your QR code style. Step 4. Test the QR code and download it as a guest for free. However, if you'd like to save your QR code for future edits or track the performance of your links, we recommend creating a free Pinnavex account. Now, let's walk through the sign-up process to create and save your QR code for future edits or tracking purposes. Click on the Sign Up button up here. This will take you to the registration page where you'll need to enter your name, email address, and create a secure password. Complete the CAPTCHA verification to confirm you're human. You can also sign up with your Google or Facebook account with few clicks. Then click on Register. Once done, an activation link will be sent to the email address you provided. Go to your email inbox, click the link in the email to verify your account and activate it. Now this is our dashboard, where you can manage all your QR codes and track your link performance. First, we won't click on Generate QR Code. Select the SMS QR code option. Now, you'll see these two boxes here. First, enter the phone number you want the SMS to be sent to. Make sure to include the country code to your number. This ensures that the SMS will be sent to the right destination, no matter where it's scanned. Next, you'll want to craft the message you want users to send you. This could be something like, "Hello, I'm interested in your services," or a custom message tailored to your campaign or business. For example, you could enter a message like, "I'm interested in learning more about your products. Please contact me." When someone scans the QR code, their phone will automatically open the SMS app with your number and pre-filled message, ready to send. Step 3. Styling your QR code. Now, let's style your SMS QR code. You can customize its look under the Style section. You'll have several design options to choose from, so pick one that matches your business or personal brand. You'll see the changes reflected immediately in the QR code preview, so you'll know exactly how it looks. Step 4. Customizing the eyes. Next up, we have the eyes. These are the 3 squares in the corners of your QR code. You can customize the inner and outer eyes of the QR code to give it a unique, branded look. Select the style you prefer, and the changes will automatically update in your QR code preview. Step 5. Adding color. You can also add color to your QR code to make it stand out. Under the Colors section, you can adjust both the foreground and background colors. For a more professional touch, we recommend matching the colors to your business branding. Step 6. Adding a frame and text. To give your QR code a bit more personality, consider adding a frame around it. There are several frame styles to choose from, and you can also add custom text to the frame like "Scan to send SMS" or "Message us now." This helps guide your audience by clearly telling them what to do when they scan the code. You can also customize the font, size, and color of the text to make it stand out and match your brand. Step 7. Adding your logo. Want to make your QR code even more personalized? Add your company logo to the center of the QR code. Simply upload your logo and then use the Logo Size tool to adjust the size and placement until it fits perfectly within the QR code. This will give your QR code a branded and professional look. Step 8. Adding a background image. You can also upload a background image to make your QR code more eye-catching. This is a great option if you want to showcase your brand or a campaign. Take note, if the image uploaded is too bold, it might make the QR code harder to scan. To fix this, use the Background Transparency tool to adjust the image's transparency and ensure the code remains readable. Step 9. Testing your QR code. Before you finalize everything, it's important to test your QR code to make sure it works as expected. Scroll down and use the inbuilt QR code reader. If everything looks good, you'll see the message, "QR code seems to be readable." It's also a good idea to scan the QR code with your phone to make sure it correctly opens the SMS app with the correct phone number and message pre-filled. Last step, download your QR code. Once you're happy with how your QR code looks, you can create then download it. You can save it in several formats, PNG, JPG, or other types of formats. And that's it. You've successfully created an SMS QR code. Now, users can easily scan your QR code to open their SMS app, pre-fill your phone number, and send a message directly to you. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on new features that will help your business grow. Visit Pinnavex.com today and start creating your custom QR codes.